Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about some math together. We're going to be on page 135 in your math book. We're going to just kind of be talking about this page. There's really not a lot for us to do on it. It's not my most favorite page. I think it's actually kind of confusing. So I'm going to do my best to explain it to you and just kind of briefly go over it. You'll need maybe a pencil. They are asking us to do one thing, but it's pretty minor. So on page 135, we're going to be working on making teen numbers, which is what you will be doing all week long. But we're going to be looking at this 10 frame. So we're going to be thinking about these bears in 10 frames, and we're going to be focusing on this 10 frame as our main 10 frame. And I'm going to kind of circle it or highlight it right here. But you will notice that this 10 frame is full. So I have 5 bears in hats on the top, and I have 5 bears in hats on the bottom, and these bears are brown with hats on them. So this is kind of going to be our main 10 frame. We're going to use it to work with all of the others. And like I said, this is a full 10 frame. So I know that I have 10 bears in this 10 frame, and I should know that even without counting them. Okay, so if you have to, which we really shouldn't be doing at this point in the year, but if you have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, that's one thing, but we should be able to look at this 10 frame and think in our brains, all right, it's full. So now I'm going to use this 10 frame, and I'm just going to work on counting on or making teen numbers. So I am going to, and if you want to do this with me, you can, or you can just watch, but I'm going to look at my 10 frame here, and I'm going to move on to these gray bears, and I'm going to do, so 10, and I have 11, 12, you can even tap them, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I am thinking of this as 10 with some extras. I talk a lot in my class about singles or ones. This is a group of 10, and then I have my extras, my ones. So a bundle, however you think about it best in your brain, but this is a bundle of 10, and then I'm adding on or counting on the rest of these ones to get my whole teen number. So once again, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And if I'm really thinking, if my brain's really up with speed, woken up today, then I could think 10 frame, 5 frame. 10 and 5 is 15. If we're not there yet, that's okay. You can always count on. So I'm just going to write a 15 here. You don't have to if you don't want, but this way we know that we have 15 brown bears, and with the 5 gray bears all together, we have 15 bears. So let's move on down here and let's do the same thing. I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So even with this one, I could think, oh, I have 15, my 10, 5, 15, and then one more would be 16. They're just asking us to make teen numbers, so I have made 15. I have now made 16, and let's just go ahead and make one more. This is the one where they're asking us to do something. They want us to draw a brown bear in the bottom right and tell how many brown bears there are now. I'm not sure how well I'm going to be able to draw a brown bear. I'm just going to go ahead and draw a counter. So if I'm filling in this counter, adding a bear, I could count first, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I couldn't do that, I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I'm going to look here, 10 plus 8 more. I could do it in my brain if I'm able, would be 18, or I can go 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You could, if you wanted some more practice, you could fill in another frame. I could go here if I wanted. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And if I wanted, I could fill it in here and fill another whole 10 frame. And then 10 plus 10, or 10, 2 10 frames together would be 20. And if I for sure couldn't do it in my head, I can always count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we should be pretty good though. We have been working with this for a little bit. You're going to continue to work on it for the rest of the week. Like I said, the next couple worksheets will get so much better, I promise. This one was kind of confusing. So I hope you got something out of it. And if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. I hope you guys have a great day.